Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Microsoft SC900 Exam Tutorial and Study Guide. In this video, you will get the basic information on the exam and how you can start preparing for it. The Microsoft SC900 Certification Exam is designed for individuals having an understanding of the concepts of security, compliance, and identity across cloud-based and other related Microsoft services. For Microsoft SC900 Exam, the target audience are 1. Business stakeholders. 2. New or existing IT professionals. 3. Students having an interest in Microsoft security, compliance, and identity solutions. Here you can see some important information for this exam. The course outline for the exam cover the following topics. 1. The concepts of security, compliance, and identity, where you describe security methodologies, security concepts, and Microsoft security and compliance principles. 2. The capabilities of Microsoft Identity and Access Management Solutions, where you learn about identity principles, basic identity services and identity types of Azure AD, authentication capabilities of Azure AD, access management capabilities of Azure AD, and identity protection and governance capabilities of Azure AD. 3. Capabilities of Microsoft Security Solutions, where you learn basic security capabilities in Azure, security management capabilities of Azure, security capabilities of Azure Sentinel, threat protection with Microsoft 365 Defender, security management capabilities of Microsoft 365, and endpoint security with Microsoft Intune. 4. Capabilities of Microsoft Compliance Solutions, where you learn the compliance management capabilities in Microsoft, information protection and governance capabilities of Microsoft 365, insider risk capabilities in Microsoft 365, e-discovery capabilities of Microsoft 365, the audit capabilities in Microsoft 365, and resource governance capabilities in Azure. Microsoft Certification Exam Policies provide all the exam-related details and information with exam-giving procedures. These exam policies have certain rules that need to be followed during the exam time or at testing centers. Some of them include 1. Exam retake policy. The exam retaking policy of Microsoft states that candidates who will not be able to pass the exam for the first time must wait 24 hours before retaking the exam. During this time, they can check the certification dashboard on the Microsoft portal and reschedule the exam. However, if this happens for the second time, then they may have to wait for at least 14 days before retaking the exam. 2. Exam reschedule and the cancellation policy. Microsoft temporarily waives the reschedule and cancellation fee if candidates cancel their exams within 24 hours before the scheduled appointment. However, for rescheduling or canceling an appointment, there will be no charge will be at least 6 business days prior to your appointment. But, if a candidate cancels or reschedules an exam within 5 business days of your registered exam time, then a fee will be applied. For detailed study guide with lessons and practice tests, visit the link in our video description. Some important points which will help you pass the exam are: 1. For Microsoft SC900 exam preparation, candidates must have familiarity with the exam objectives. 2. Microsoft gives access to learning platforms for the SC900 exam that covers various resources to get a better exam preparation. 3. Microsoft documentation is the power source of knowledge developed for providing detailed information related to all certification exams. Moreover, using Microsoft documentation for Microsoft SC900 exam, you will get to know the different scales of this exam. 4. Assessing yourself with practice tests before taking the final exam. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.